Oxymoron. Have you heard about these phrases made of two or more words that have opposite meanings? For examples, pretty ugly, open secret, civil war. All these are called oxymorons. Do you know what an oxymoron is? An oxymoron is a phrase made of two or more words that have opposite meanings. When these words are placed close together, they create an interesting contrasting effect. Do you know the meaning of pretty ugly? Pretty ugly does not imply that a person can be attractive and unattractive too. Pretty ugly means very ugly. Example: my friend's house across the street is pretty ugly. What do you mean by open secret? If something is a secret, no one else is supposed to know about it. If you refer to something as an open secret, you mean that it is supposed to be a secret, but many people know about it. For example, it's an open secret around the office that they're having an affair. Now can you define what an oxymoron is? Oxymoron combines two opposite qualities or ideas and therefore seems impossible. An oxymoron is a figure of speech that combines contradictory words with opposing meanings, like alone together, deafening silence, or divided unity. Oxymorons may appear nonsensical at first, but they usually make sense in context. The word oxymoron is an oxymoron in itself. Oxy is a Greek word that means sharp, and moron is a Greek word for dull. Why do we use oxymorons? We use oxymorons for adding a dramatic effect to a sentence. For example, when we describe something as bittersweet, we are attempting to express that it is sweet while also including or characterized by elements of suffering. Bittersweet involves feelings of happiness and sadness, both at the same time, being partly bitter or sad and partly sweet or happy. He had bittersweet memories of summer camp. Bittersweet is a nice sensation tinged with grief or regret, such as one could experience after graduating from high school or college, where many friendships were formed. But the phrase bittersweet sounds so much more dramatic than sweet. This is an oxymoron because, technically, something can't be both bitter and sweet. Few more examples of oxymoron. Act naturally, accurate estimate, advanced beginner, almost exactly, approximately equal, alone together, amazingly awful, bad luck, big baby, crash landing, clearly misunderstood, controlled chaos, cruel kindness. Thank you for watching.